If you've been finding yourself asking people to repeat themselves or struggling to follow conversation in a noisy restaurant, the ELEHEAR-Delight over-the-counter hearing aids might just be the volume knob for life you've been looking for. Designed as an accessible over-the-counter solution for adults and seniors, these devices aim to bridge the gap between high-end clinical hearing aids and the budget amplifiers without breaking the bank. I ended up receiving this product from my honest review and testing, but let's start with the unboxing first. Really nicely packaged, so this would be a perfect gift. Here we go with the case and the hearing aids on the inside. We'll put this just on side for now. Here we do have a little bit of paperwork with a quick start guide and the user manual. Inside here we have a cleaning brush for the maintenance. Then we have, I believe these are called ear wings. And then we have the open dome and the closed dome. We have small, large, small, medium, large. So the medium of these is already on it. Let me just take out one of these just to show you how these look. And then inside here we have USB-C to USB Type-A cable to end up charging this. Now I gotta say the material of this feels really good. I'm not sure what kind of material that I ended up using. It definitely doesn't feel like plastic. It's very smooth and soft. On the front we have the lights for power. On the side USB-C for charging. And then we have one button which is gonna be for resetting these. Let's open this up. Right away, we do have 3 full lights, so they are fully charged. So the first thing you want to do is, before use, obviously you're going to remove this little plastic, which covers the charging ports. Now that we have that, they're going to be able to sit nicely on the inside, and it just pulls that in, and it's charging them already. Alright, so the first thing I did is ended up putting them in my ear just to get the feel for them. And the first impression is very positive. These are very small, which makes them very discreet. So ultra small design, delivering comfortable, barely there wear all day. One recommendation is don't be afraid to end up testing these. I believe this one that's on it is going to be medium here. So make sure you end up trying all of them and find the right fit. Now, these ones also feature a soft, ergonomic earwig design that conforms gently to your ear canal. It creates a pressure-free seal for long-lasting comfort, which is ideal for extended use from morning to night. As long as you have the right size for your ear canal, they're gonna stay there for a very long time, even during workouts, outdoor activities, and everyday movement. These are IP67 rated, ready for any environment, sweat-proof, dust-proof, and splash-resistant for everyday reliability. Now, these hearing aids do have their own app. The app name is ELEHEAR. Register the account, and now that we're on this page, we're just gonna open these up. We're gonna click Add New Device, and here is right on top. We already opened that. Let's click Next, and just like that, you already found them. We're gonna close the survey. It says you have successfully connected. Let's begin. Now I'm just gonna continue throughout these. Alright, now that I have them inside my ear, you can do a few different adjustments like volume and tone, and best of all, you can adjust them separately or at the same time. And then we can also do noise control as well. We have adaptive, light, moderate, advanced, maximum, which will give you complete noise shield. And then here on top, we do have a few different things like general, restaurant, music, and TV. Alright, now here is the important thing which most people don't end up doing when they get these. If you click on them, right on the bottom, you do have the headset mode, which is for streaming calls, music, and other phone audio via Bluetooth without pausing your hearing aids. Now, if you want to use these as they're meant to be, hearing aids, you do have to switch that. So make sure you end up doing that. Now, these sounds are going to be used if you do have the constant ringing in your ears. I believe it's called tinnitus. Probably can't pronounce it right, but that's what that is used for. And then if we go home, we do have the translation, which is really nice touch. So here we do have the English, and I believe on top is Spanish. So if I press this, hello, how are you? And now it's gonna tell me in Spanish, but if I speak Spanish, I can do Hola, ¿cómo estás? And now it's gonna say it here. Pretty cool feature. And then we also have remote sound capture and the environmental noise, which is really important because right now I'm talking, it's gonna measure that. If I stop talking, it's gonna get it down. I do have the fan in the background. And then if you press it on top and then you go my device, here's a little bit more options that you can do. It gives you the overview of how long you've been using this. Then here is where you can end up changing the headset mode and a little bit more options here. And that's pretty much it. Very simple app and it works great. Now, the standout feature here is definitely the AI-powered speech enhancement. Unlike basic amplifiers that just make everything louder, including the annoying hum of a fridge, the ELEHEAR-Delight uses smart algorithms to isolate human voices while dampening background noise. It delivers surprisingly crisp audio, and the dedicated tinnitus relief mode is a lifesaver for those dealing with constant ringing, offering soothing soundscapes to mask discomfort. Equipped with a Bluetooth 5.3, the pairing is stable and fast. When it comes to the battery, 10 hours for headset mode, 13.5 hours for hearing aids mode. On top of that, inside the case, you do have 2 extra chargers. So with the case and hearing aids, you can get over 40 hours for hearing aids mode and about 30 hours for the headset mode. For those with mild to moderate needs, the ELEHEAR-Delight is a game changer. It combines modern tech with genuine comfort, making daily interactions feel effortless again. So stop missing out on the punchline. Bring the world back into focus with ELEHEAR-Delight. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.